start from these three that are very, very similar. And if you've seen my other videos, you have seen these as well. We have the blue, the pink and the green crystals. I know this pink one is rose quartz, but I don't remember the other two. What's their name? Opalite? No, I don't know. just happened to look at the bookshelf that my mom has at her house in the living room, and I got intrigued by the box that was inside the bookshelf, and they were my grandmother's wedding rings and earrings and whatnot, and I found a green pouch that this was in, and I was really surprised to see it because, like I told you, I didn't know that my grandmother had anything like this. So I did ask my mom if I could take this, and she agreed. So I've been really cherishing it like ever since. And I have this one. This is like a little lollipop or sucker or candy type of necklace. It's pink and white with green bow on it, and it has this silver chain to it, and there's like a little pretend rhinestone on it. I got this as a birthday present or Christmas present. I will have to say most of these have been a gift, and I really appreciate each of these gifts. This is a cute one. I've worn this as well to a few occasions, but again not as often as I would like to. It's really cute. Nonetheless. But yeah, I love it as well. Then this is one of the older necklaces I've bought myself. It has a long chain, and it's this reindeer or deer one. I think it's a deer. I bought these from a clothing store like way back. I don't even remember what year it was, but it has been with me for quite a long time, and I still think it's really pretty. I will show it to you a little bit closer. I especially like this because it, like I said, it has a very long chain to it. So then I have this hard one. It's this little tiny heart that has like pretend rhinestones to it. It's like so tiny. Again, with this one, I don't remember where I got this from. Maybe I just bought it somewhere, because I don't think that I got it as a present. It's like so tiny. So tiny. Also, one hard, silver hard, is this Kalevalan necklace that I actually got it from one of my exes for a birthday present, and I wore this quite a lot during that time, but now I just don't wear it. I do like it still, but I don't know what you're supposed to do with things that you have gotten from your exes, also 7 is my favorite number. So that is also that. But yeah, I wear this quite a lot and it probably is a little bit dirty. And I bought this for myself for my birthday last year. Now before I will move on to the bracelets and rings, I will show you the rest of my necklaces that I have in this box. I think I've shown this in one of my other videos, but this is my ring box or jewelry box, korunasia. It's this Winnie the Pooh one. It's like this tin jar and it has a music box on it. I've had this for a long time. It used to have chocolate inside of it. But yeah, it has like these different seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. So yeah, I will not be playing this, but yeah. Inside of this box I have more, because these ones that I just show you I have up on a shelf. I really should buy something to put them in, like some kind of display, but I haven't. So this is what it looks like inside. There's quite a few stuff inside of it. Let's start with this velvety blue pouch. it's still nice to have.